Welcome to day 3. If you made it through yesterday's silence without breaking, congratulate yourself. You have successfully crossed the boredom threshold. The intense, erratic panic in your nervous system is beginning to settle. But today brings a different kind of challenge. Your brain is a landscape that has been blasted by high-velocity digital adrenaline for years. Now that the noise is gone, your mind is starving for texture. If we leave it completely empty, you will eventually relapse. Today, we do not feed the addiction. Instead, we introduce the slow stimulus. Your brain doesn't actually hate reading, working, or meditating. It just hates that these activities don't give it 500 units of gratification per second like a short-form video feed does. There are 2 types of stimulation in this world, high velocity and low velocity. High-velocity stimulation gives you immediate rewards with 0 effort, leaving your focus completely depleted. Low-velocity stimulation requires a small upfront investment of patience, but it pays you back in sustained clarity, deep fulfillment, and genuine peace. Today, we begin recalibrating your receptors to enjoy the slow things again. To successfully inject slow stimulus into your day, you must engineer friction. If a bad habit is easy to access, you will fall into it when your energy drops. If a good habit is buried, you will ignore it. For the next 24 hours, make your environment work for you. Leave a physical book open on your desk where your phone used to sit. Put a journal and a pen directly on your pillow. If you want to study or work, open only the exact tab you need and block everything else. Force your mind to choose between sitting in pure boredom or engaging with a slow, productive task. Given that choice, your brain will always choose to build. When you engage with slow stimulus, something incredible happens to your perception of time. Hours no longer vanish into a blur of infinite scrolling. The day slows down. You will read a page of a book and actually remember it. You will complete a block of deep work and feel a profound sense of genuine pride, not just exhaustion. You are reclaiming the depth of your human experience. You are no longer skimming the surface of life. You are finally diving back into the deep water. Your directive for day 3 is simple. Replace all microstimuli with long-form depth. Today, absolutely no short videos, no scrolling feeds, and no rapid-fire multitasking. If you consume audio, listen to a full, deep podcast. If you read a physical book or a long-form essay. If you work, do it in uninterrupted 45-minute blocks. Feed your mind quality, not garbage. Lock in your commitment by leaving a Day 3 comment below. Subscribe to protect your progress. And I will see you tomorrow for Day 4, Cognitive Output. Stay focused.